Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Harinder and this channel is all about learning, growing and staying informed. Each week I share educational videos and awareness content to help you understand important topics, gain new insights and make informed decisions in your life. If you enjoy learning something new and want to stay updated with meaningful information, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with our today's video. Today we are diving into an incredible and inspiring story of India's oldest and most prestigious university. A university that survived political upheavals, witnessed the partition of India, nurtured generations of scholars and grew into a global center of excellence. So sit back and relax and let's travel into 140 years back into history to understand how Panjab University became what it is today. The origins. The birth of a vision. To understand the story of Panjab University, we must go back in 19th century when modern higher education in India was taking a shape under a British Raj. The year is 1882. In the bustling city of Lahore, a new institution was founded, the University of Punjab. At that time, it was only the fourth university in all of the India, following Calcutta University, Bombay University and Madras University. The university became a great center of learning in northern India. It conducted examination, affiliated colleges across the region and attracted some of the brightest minds. Over the decades, it produced leaders, reformers, scientists, intellectuals. Lahore soon emerged as an academic hub, but this glorious phase was about to face its biggest challenge: the partition and the Great Disruption. So now let's jump to 1947. India was gaining independence, but the subcontinent was also divided into India and Pakistan. Punjab, then a united province, was divided into half. Lahore, the home of original University of Punjab, became part of Pakistan. But university served the students on both sides of the Punjab. That meant only one thing: the university needed to be reorganized. After partition, the University of Punjab, then in Pakistan, continued functioning in Lahore. Meanwhile, the Indian side of Punjab desperately needed central academic institution. This led to one of the most important decisions in the history of education in northern India. A new university would be established in India, a successor to pre-partition institution, retaining its academic spirit and legacy. This new institution was initially called East Punjab University. However, the journey ahead would be long and filled with major transformations. The rebirth. Punjab University emerges. In the early years of partition, East Punjab University didn't have a permanent home. The conditions was chaotic. Punjab itself was undergoing reconstruction. Between 1947 and 1956, the university had to function out of temporary campus, initially in Shimla, and later moved to Hoshiarpur and other scattered locations. It was a university without a real campus but not without determination. In 1950, the name was officially changed to Panjab University with A, P-A-N-J-A-B. The A wasn't accidental. It represented the original Punjabi pronunciation and the cultural identity of the region. It was decided that the university will get a brand new modern campus, and this new home would be in a city that was also rising from ashes of partition, Chandigarh. Section 4, Chandigarh, a new beginning. Chandigarh wasn't any city. It was India's first planned city, designed by world's renowned architecture, Le Corbusier. In the early 1950s, the government of Punjab and the architects of Chandigarh began planning the new campus of Punjab University. The vision was clear. Campus should reflect modernism, academic freedom, and an open embrace of knowledge. The job of designing the university was given to Pierre Jeanneret and Le Corbusier, cousins and a key figure in planning of Chandigarh. Jeanneret designed iconic buildings such as the Academic Block, the Gandhi Bhavan, the Fine Art Museum, the A.C. Joshi Library. These wasn't just buildings, they were architectural landmarks representing modern India. Finally, in 1956, Panjab University officially shifted to its new campus in Sector 14, Chandigarh. This move changed everything. The growth of academic giant. With a permanent campus, a university began a new era of growth. Throughout 1950s, 1960s and 1970s, throughout 3 decades, several new facilities and departments was established. Punjab University became known for its strong focus on liberal art. History, political science, sociology, philosophy all grew rapidly. The university attracted scholars from all over India. Among the departments, another was Science and Research Department. Departments like Physics, Chemistry, Geology, and Anthropology developed into research powerhouses. Its Physics Department would later collaborate with organizations like CERN and international labs. Another department that was established, Medical and Paramedical Education. Punjab University laid the foundation for institutions like the Postgraduate Institution of Medical Education and Research (PGIMR), which later became an independent institution. Another department is Law and Legal Studies. The University Institution of Legal Studies and the Department of Law become among the top legal education centers in India. Another department, Business and Management. The University Business School (UBS) gained national recognition for its MBA program. By 1980s, Punjab University had become India's most respected education institution for higher studies, known for its academic excellence, research output, and cultural vibrance. From regional university to national leader. In 1990s and 2000s, Punjab University expanded its collaboration, research facilities and academic programs. The faculty strength was increased and research publications reached high peak. The university received numerous accolades, consistently ranking among the top universities of India, awarded A++ grade from NAC, recognized internationally for research in biotechnology, physics, chemistry and environmental science. Prominent alumni in government, science, arts and sports further glorify its name. Some of the notable alumni included former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, taught at this university, actor Anupam Kher, scientist Yashpal, filmmaker Anurag Kashyap, dozens of IAS, IPS and PCS officers. By the 2010s, Punjab University have evolved from a regional institution to becoming the global center of excellence. One interesting fact about Punjab University is its governance. While the university originally served the state of Punjab, after the reorganization of state in 1966, Chandigarh became Union Territory and the shared capital of Haryana and Punjab. The university then came under the administrative control of the Government of India, but it also continued receiving financial support from the state of Punjab. This dual governance model is unique and often discussed in public debates, but it also highlights the university's central importance to the region. Now that we have understand how Punjab University is governed, let's talk about something that is very special. The recent Senate Syndicate controversy that created huge debate. So what is the Senate? The Senate is the highest decision-making body of the university. Think of it like a parliament of Punjab University. It makes rules, handles budgets and decides on major policies. Many of its members are elected by teachers, students and graduates. The Syndicate is the executive body of the university. It manages daily administrations, hiring, financing and property matters. Most of the syndicate members are chosen by the Senate itself. Together, these two bodies, the Syndicate and the Senate, give Punjab University its democratic character. So what happened this year? In October, the central government announced a major restructuring. Senate size reduced from 90 members approximately to 31 members. Graduate voting was completely removed. More positions were made nominated and fewer were elected. In simple words, less democracy and more central control. So why did people protest? Students, teachers, alumni and many political leaders said the change reduced the voice of the university community. It damages Punjab University's historic democratic structure and it gave too much power to nominated members. Due to strong opposition, the government officially removed its notification on 7th November 2025. The new rules were not implemented, but the discussions about the governance are still undergoing. This controversy reminded everyone how important Senate and the Syndicate are for Punjab University's identity and autonomy. Architectural heritage and cultural life. One cannot talk about Punjab University without appreciating its beautiful campus, which is spread across more than 550 acres of land, covered with greenery, garden and architectural masterpieces. The Gandhi Bhavan, that was designed by Jeanneret, stands as one of the most iconic structures of modern architecture in India. It represents peace, simplicity and the philosophical depth of the Gandhi's teachings. The student center, the heart of students' life, is always buzzing with activities, debates, theatres, music, politics, and endless cup of tea. Punjab University doesn't just educate, it creates personality. Like any great institutions, Punjab University has also faced many challenges. As a partially central funded and partially state supported university, it has frequently faced budget shortfalls. Changes in the governance structure and regional politics have sometimes created uncertainties. With more and more central universities and IITs emerging, the competition for grants and national recognition has increased. Yet, despite these challenges, the spirit of Punjab University had remained unshaken. Today, Punjab University stands as one of India's top research university, a campus hosting 75 plus teaching and research departments, an institution over 200 affiliated colleges, a university with international collaborations across the world, a hub of innovation in engineering, biotechnology, pharmaceutical science, and environmental science. It continues to shape thousands of futures every year. From its beginning in Lahore 1882 to surviving partition, to finding a new home in Chandigarh and becoming a beacon of education and research, Punjab University isn't any institution, it's a legacy built by students, teachers, leaders and visionaries over nearly a century and a half. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history of Punjab University, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational and historic videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.